The media, where every individual's voice matters.
During the COVID era, freedom of speech and freedom of movement were stripped away. Voices were silenced. Rights were taken. Some of us were even arrested. But out of that struggle, PMnews Malta was born. Just 1 month after launching, both our journalists were taken to court, reported for a podcast that gave a voice to the people. Yet, we stood strong. 3 years later, the case is still ongoing, but we will not back down. Since February 2022, PMnews Malta has fought for truth, democracy, and inclusivity, giving a platform to independent candidates, small political parties, big political parties, and everyday people. Balance has been restored. By supporting us on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, our platform will grow, your voice will grow too. Be with us. Follow us. Subscribe. Support real journalism. Because PMnews Malta is a voice that will not be silenced.
The media, where every individual's voice matters.